As a part of building a bit of awareness around geography, let me quickly explain what is geomorphology. Geomorphology is study of land and landforms, study of mountains, valleys, plains, study of volcanoes, earthquakes associated. It's about how continents move, how continents collision or divergence happen. ये सारा geomorphology का part है. Geomorphology is one of the most exciting part because अगर आप world की diversity देखें, it is largely around these mountains, it is around the plains, it's around the features associated with different type of erosion processes. How does river make landforms? How does glacier make landforms? What type of landforms are made by processes of waves or winds or in deserts or in tundra region? So landforms का बहुत strong relationship है with the climate and that ultimately is part of our landscape. तो geomorphology इसी का part है. UPSC में अगर GS देखेंगे उसमें ज्यादा डिस्कशन जियोमॉर्फोलॉजी का नहीं है because they have mentioned very specifically that they are interested in evaluating understanding of certain geomorphic processes. तो geomorphic process बोलते हैं, हम earthquakes की बात कर रहे हैं, fold mountain building की बात कर रहे हैं, हम volcanism की बात कर रहे हैं, maybe some bit of erosion and deposition also. But जो nuances, जो theories है वो इतनी important नहीं है. Of course, we do teach you tectonics part, but otherwise the geomorphology part for geography in the GS is not much. But geomorphology optional में बहुत बड़ा section. In fact, of all the 20 units we have in optional, geomorphology is the biggest part of the syllabus. It takes approximately 20-25 days if you're studying 3 hours every day to cover the topics of geomorphology. Geomorphology को हम broadly divide कर सकते हैं under 3 broad heads. One is geomorphology as a part of understanding the interiors of the earth. क्या interiors में क्या है, क्या layers हैं, क्या rocks हैं, क्या minerals हैं. That's one part. The second part of geomorphology is called as tectonic geomorphology, जो कि earth के interiors का ही extension है. Tectonics में हम पढ़ते हैं how do continents move, how they collide, how earthquakes happen, how volcanism happens. We also study all the features associated with those. So that is the tectonic part. Tectonic essentially comes from the word called technique or building process. So all the large scale forces जो build करते हैं landforms, हम वो landforms को हम पढ़ते हैं as a part of tectonics. एक third important part है geomorphology का, which is about the slopes, how slopes are formed, how slopes are steep, convex, concave. ये part of slope development, slope models के भी part होते हैं. In fact, if you look at the historical evolution, the slope studies came first, the tectonics part came next. ये 3 main part of geomorphology है. इसके अलावा एक part of geomorphology है called as applied geomorphology. एक नया discipline है that has started not very old, and this includes how to use geomorphology in construction, in mineral exploration, geomorphology and water management, geomorphology understanding disaster vulnerability, how you can use geomorphology for planning of regions. ये applied geomorphology है. एक fourth part है, हालांकि वो अलग से section होता नहीं है, but if you are only studying erosion, deposition, landforms creation, the range of landforms, जो very crude level we call as structural geomorphology, that includes study of landforms. तो आप जब syllabus देखेंगे, this part of this syllabus is very obvious in your optional. And my recommendation to you, ये पढ़ने के टाइम में आप 3 चीज ध्यान रखो. Number 1, एक बुक पक्का रखो. One good book for reference, which I think geomorphology by Saminder Singh बहुत अच्छा किताब है. It has whatever you need, और जो इसमें नहीं है, don't bother about it. That's one. Second is, सारे sections को equal importance ना देना. My recommendation is pay more importance to applied aspect, and of course you must know a fairly good amount of tectonic part. टेक्टोनिक एक बेस है, टेक्टोनिक के बिना कुछ भी आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा, वो पढ़ लेना. और टेक्टोनिक के क्वेश्चंस एक्चुअली आसान और स्ट्रेट होते हैं. इट्स नॉट टू मच ऑफ कॉम्प्लिकेशंस बिकॉज मोस्ट बुक्स राइट प्रीटी वेल अबाउट इट. द थर्ड पार्ट है विच इज अबाउट स्लोप्स. ये थोड़ा ट्रिकी पार्ट है बिकॉज स्लोप्स का सिलेबस का में बहुत कम अमाउंट है एंड ऑल द थ्योरीज आर नॉट वेरी वेल इंटरलिंक्ड इन द टेक्स्ट बुक्स. बट मैं सजेस्ट करूंगा यू कीप योर डिस्कशंस टू Penck, Davis. Don't study too much of L-seeking, and maybe if you have some institute with class note, that should be enough. So do not prepare every section equally, and you can be sure about एक क्वेश्चन पक्का आने वाला है geomorphology से. इनफैक्ट सम ईयर्स 2 से 3 सवाल भी पूछे हैं जियोमॉर्फोलॉजी। आई होप आई हैव एक्सप्लेन जियोमॉर्फोलॉजी इन ब्रीफ। I hope to see you working hard. All the best from my side.